Right.
Welcome to Nature Girls.
Today we're going to talk about the Noxen Rattlesnake Roundup. What did you girls think about the Noxen Rattlesnake? It was been a while, been last year since we've been through it. What did you guys think about it?
I think it was really cool.
I think it was educational. They did not kill the rattlesnakes.
Yeah.
It was pretty cool seeing all the different snakes, and they had other stuff there too that they were showing.
Yeah.
Different animals. In our picture here we got our little pet ferret Chloe in there. And our little Bella is right in here.
Up here. There. And Daddy, but we're not coming out.
So what you girls say? You know, don't stop. Okay, we need to stop the rattlesnake roundups in Oklahoma and Texas because they kill thousands of rattlesnakes, right?
Bella, up here.
So what can we say about that? They need to change it, right?
Yeah.
Good. Here, take.
You don't even bother with it, do you?
Here, watch out. Abby, not a rattlesnake. Gentle snake.
Someone's pet.
Gentle snake.
This is a very nice snake. Really nice snake.
Do you want to touch him? Her?
Yeah.
Can we just see the butt end of it? There you go. Gentle snake.
You can touch right here too. That's so soft.
Where did you find a leucistic snake?
I don't know if it's
What? Did you want to touch him?
Yeah, it's leucistic because it's got the blue around the eyes and then it's white. It's not a perfect red. You can see it's still got the color spots, but I helped it with
like,
Bring your front here, the black one.
Yeah, like dead, yeah, exactly. Leaves, stuff, they just bury down and out. You don't want to run. Okay, the question is, what do you do when you're walking through the woods, anywhere, and you get bit in the calf? The biggest thing is to stay calm. I keep saying that, I'll say it 100 times. Now, the funny part about, there's no funny part about the snake bite. But usually it hurts a whole lot, that it calms you, it sobers you up a little bit from the calmness part. You know, because it hurts, usually hurts pretty bad. Don't run anywhere. I mean, if you're with somebody, I mean, I like preaching to kids and the parents of kids that if their kid gets bit, because I don't really care about the adults, you know what I mean? I care about the kids. You know, if mom flips out, the kids are flipping out. So you gotta keep your head about you. Stay calm. Work your way back. Call 911 if you got service. There's not service everywhere in these hills. But work your way back to your vehicle nice and calm without getting your heart rate up. Keep your breathing without getting erratic. Get in your car and just do the best thing you can to get to medical attention as fast as you can. Get to another person in case you become faint, whatever. Work your way to medical. The hospitals, this new antivenom they have out works great. I mean, it's awesome. I mean, taken from a guy that's been bit, you know, the first bite I had was like 19 years ago. You know, I have a few ugly ones, and I got bit 4 years ago. And the antivenom they have now compared to the first antivenom I had in 95, the horse serum to this new stuff they call Crofab, works so much nicer. So much more expensive too. But you'll be fine. You'll be fine. It's 50% of it's right here. Yeah.
What do you do with the rattlesnakes after the roundup?
Everything is released back to where it was caught. It's a catch and release program. We do not kill anything. If I see snake hunters saying I'm going to take this snake and put mother tag on it and kill it, I'm going to go up and smack them upside the head, because that isn't what we're about. We want these snake hunts to keep going on. I think we do a nice thing here with education and showing people what's in the surroundings, and we're not hurting the population. We're getting finding a rattlesnake, talking about what we talked about 15 minutes ago about finding a snake in the woods and finding them over again. That's a needle in a haystack. You know, when you catch a snake on the same weekend at the same spot, you know, that's 3 out of 20 couple right now. That's a needle in a haystack. And we're putting them back and catching them again. That's pretty awesome. Coming, you know, just thinking about it over the years, you know, going from when we used to have the snake hunt over here at the Sportsman's Club on the other side of the creek back in the 70s, we used to have the Noxen Sportsman's Club always had a little book made up. You know, and if you ever see the old books, you'll see some of the names in there. My old man was on there a lot. Bill Wheeler on there. They catch this many snakes and, you know, this many rattles, and because they always gave out prizes back then. They always printed up this little book and gave it out. And we'd catch 150, 200 rattlesnakes in those old hunts. You know, because there was no regulations on it. You know, they gave out prizes for the smallest snake back then, which we would never do now, because we know so much more about the environment and the ecology of the snakes and what it takes for them to survive. It takes a lot for a snake to survive. Yeah.